going on. I lost my internet, and I knew there was a thunderstorm. I painted through the whole thing. Murals. I didn't even want to know what was going on. I was enjoying the energy, and I went out to go pay my bills this morning. Across town to pay my bills. This is crazy. Wow.
Sorry for the wait. All agents are still busy with other customers.
Wow. Look at this. The water's all the way up here. This is Parks and Recs. Wow. So what's going on, guys? I just woke up. I was painting murals. I didn't know what was going on. What, we trapped in town?
Yeah. We woke up this morning around 7 with the tornado alerts and the severe weather alerts.
Oh, the whole Blanco River was already flooded.
We took shelter in the bedroom, the bathroom in his apartment. The three of us live on campus. Then later, we decided that we needed to get to campus sooner rather than later, and when we went outside, we saw a block from us, the Blanco River was up really high, and we saw whole trees floating by.
Where was this?
Over by
the lodge, over on Ocarina.
Yeah.
Wow.
Across the highway.
Wow. So you guys had to evacuate then?
Yeah, we took like the last bus.
We got
to
out
campus.
right before they put in the evacuation notice.
Wow. I had no idea what was going on. I thought it was a thunderstorm, and I just loved the energy and painted murals. I'm trying to go pay my bills, and I'm like, I can't even get across town because of trees and water. This is amazing. I'm shocked. I was just so in my own little painting world. I didn't know any of this was going on. I literally woke up to pay my bills about 2 o'clock, and I'm like, I can't get, my bank is closed. What's up with that? And then I'm like, I can't get across town. And then now I'm like, whoa. was a flood. The last flood, I fell asleep during Memorial. I fell asleep and I woke up right when it started. I was up all night and I didn't realize Blanco Gardens. Don't put your feet in there, darling. That's bad water. Oh, okay, yeah. Wow. Look at that. And that's Purgatory Hell, Mr. Carson, where you've been doing your illegal fill right over there. Who's been talking about that for 2 years? Me. This is amazing. Traffic is crazy on Craddock. I'm trying to get some Purgatory Hell footage, and it's just crazy. I can't believe I slept through all. I was up all night painting. I didn't want to feed into the fear of a storm. Every time a storm comes, I feel so bad for everybody at Blanco's, and I get so bummed out. And this time I said, I'm going to channel my energy into art, and I furiously painted for hours, and my whole house is full of murals now. And I woke up to pay my bills, and I'm like, whoa, I don't think I want to get my traffic jam. I'm getting out of this. I'm at Capstone trying to get a cut through with Purgatory, but look how crappy this looks. This is the kind of crap that Shane Scott supports. I don't know if they got flooded or if this is just shoddy work. But anyway. Okay, y'all. I was getting some footage. I saw these cool chicks. I wanted to dance with them. Easy, y'all. The stores are just flooded with people getting supplies. I can't believe I slept through all this. I just wasn't gonna. Every time the storms come, everybody gets all on edge, and I just didn't want to get into it this time. I'm very intuitive and empathic, and I feel bad for Blancos every time. But this time I wanted to paint. This is crazy. Let's see what the supplies are like in here. It looks like San Martians like to stock up on pits in emergencies. Isn't that amazing? Let me show you what else I discovered. Recon on the patterns of survival. We also love soda waters. That's what we buy when we have emergencies in our town. Isn't that amazing? Chips are very popular in emergencies here. Y'all don't know about me is I hate crowds unless I'm in front of them. I hate being in massive amounts with people. The store is so crowded right now. It's got a bajillion people in it all buying their supplies. Better stop filming before I get in trouble. Crazy. Another go-to, I'm kind of proud that people are getting this. They're getting the black bean soup. This is always my go-to, the vegan one. This is my favorite right there. So holla to the good eaters who are stocking up. All these people, guys. My favorite thing being in the middle of a crowd. new friend.
Hi.
Your dorm was okay?
Yes, my dorm was okay.
All right. All right. Oh, that clerk was so cool. He said he had heard about my Hug Life card, and I said, I'll bring you one. That makes me feel good. I'm trying to promote my blog, y'all, and get more subscribers, and I've been getting a lot of good feedback on the business cards or the postcards, so hit me up. Oh, I'm starving. I wanted to go to Torchy's, but look what's going on down here. Springs underneath here, and that's one of the reasons why it was delayed. That's the rumor in town, but whoa, that's kind of interesting thing going on there, right? I guess I'll go see if I can get me an independent or not. Video blog I shot last week. Well, here we are again, city. You guys, your drainage blows. It's unacceptable. How the stuff floods downtown, the amount of money that you guys have spent, it's still all flooding. You know what? I should just be an engineer, because I think my rhetoric degree would come in perfect, because then I could just make up lies every time they ask me why this is happening. I could just use all of my tactics and explain it, because that's all they do. I have the same skill set that they do, because clearly I might even be better with my mathematics disability. I could probably actually fix this stuff. I wonder what the salaries are of these engineers. Probably much more than my little rhetoric job. Say the smell over here is overwhelming. I don't know if there's a gas leak or what it is, but it smells so bad. These guys are here for maybe there is something wrong. A gas leak or something.